the London skyline, beautiful. It's Christmas time and here I am in Rotherhithe Village. What we're investigating here is some lights that are causing the property to trip. It's on a split way fuse box. Everything is working apart from this sector, which I assume would be the lounge. We've only got one section that doesn't work. It's a three-way switch. One switch does the under cabinet lights, the other does the kitchen, and the other one does the lounge. Let's just see what happens when we turn on the offending switch, which is in the middle. Here we go. Let's just see, shall we? Goes off. Two lights mysteriously stay on. Now this is an absolutely massive board for a 2-bedroom flat. I'd be interested to know in the comments, have you ever seen a board so big? Look how many circuits there are. Now this particular light has piqued my interest. It was one of the ones that stayed on, not that that should mean anything, but if you look, there seems to be a kind of messy makeup job around it, so I'm gonna take it out, see what's in there. Okay, so I've found the fault. It was actually in the first light that I'd pulled down, and if I had, perhaps if it was lighter, if I'd remembered my head torch, I would have seen it a hell of a lot quicker. I mean, as it is, I've only spent about 20 minutes. Just as a good rule of thumb, when you're testing for faults on a lighting circuit, especially if it's TNCS as this one is, you have to remove the bulbs, because otherwise you're connecting, you will have the live and the neutral still connected together. So, you're not going to get a good reading on your megameter. So yeah, take the bulbs out, then you can at least know what direction to go in. What is really interesting here is we've got this super brittle cable, which is blackened with overheating. And look at that. Maybe this is a remnant of something that took place when they had either some halogen bulbs, or maybe that someone put a halogen GU10 in there or something. There's no way an LED could create this amount of damage to the wiring. That's it really. The moral is wear a head torch and look what you're doing, be diligent. Now I've repaired that, I had to cut it right back from the burning bit of wire. Let's have a look. I mean, what's very strange about these lights is that they change colour when you turn them off and on. Yeah, I'm just checking that they're on the right breaker. Yes, they are on a 6-amp breaker, those lights. So this heat damage could not be due to some overload that wasn't getting picked up by the breaker. And in fact, look, when you look at the old part of the flat, you can see that there used to be some strange fittings here. I mean, just in terms of working out what has caused that heat damage, in my mind it can only be a halogen bulb. Is it safe now? Yes, because these are all LEDs.